Welcome back to week 8. I have done a lot this week. One of them being the electrical is now installed. Did like all the crimping on these wires, like built this guy, built a shelf for the batteries, went each connection one by one. This is the ground over here. This is the brains of the whole operation. And then I still have a couple things that I need to hook in to the kind of like a little distribution fuse block there, but pretty proud of that. The ceiling is in. I'm going to show you that from the inside. I might as well leave those doors open. I wish as well that I could transfer smells in YouTube videos because it smells so good in here every time I open the door. This is all cedar paneling. And I spent a long time cutting all the edges to make them fit like around all these little corners and stuff like that. But all that's in. These walls are mainly in. I don't have the bottoms in yet because I'm still installing a couple of different pieces. Like I spray painted the outlets or the switches yesterday because I'm gonna go with all black and they only come in white. So that'll go there. I'll put in an outlet over there. I'll install this switch today as well. But these guys both work, which is really sweet. And honestly, maybe I'll do another shot of that with like doors closed and just overlay it. But yeah, it's all in. The fan works. What else? I don't know. It's been a big week. Put a lot of work in this week, but it's looking pretty good, I'd say. So there you are. Please enjoy watching week 8 and how I did all this. First thing I did this week was finishing off the wheel well cover, which I first sprayed on an adhesive, and then I took some old Thinsulate insulation that I had laying around and filled out the inside. So that'll help with noise and also just a thermal insulation there. Here I am installing that wheel well. Wow, Carter, awesome angle you got there. So you can really see everything going on. I'm so good at filming and photography. Next, I spent like an entire day just cutting, crimping, and heat shrinking all the cables. It took a long time, but it's pretty satisfying work, honestly, when you see it all done. Just connected the solar, and I can already see there's like a little light flashing back there. The system is working, but here's the real moment of truth. I'll hit the on switch and hopefully nothing like burns down. Oh boy. Okay, so that light just turned red. Oh man, I wonder if I'm supposed to be able to see those indicators over there. Maybe I shouldn't have put it against the wall. Oops, after it's all installed, that's no good. Well, I'll have to figure that one out. Maybe put a little mirror in there or something, but maybe it's working. Wait, let's see if this works. No, not yet. Oh, it's because there's no fuse. Let's just put a fuse in there real quick. Bedroom lights. Oh. All right. Heyo! Yeah, baby. Oh, I'm so psyched on that. Yes! All right, I'm ready to get this all put together now and get it all in. Woo, so much work. Now I get some electricity in here. Once the electrical was done, I was deciding, you know what? I actually am not gonna put any lights in the ceiling. So I was like, it's ceiling time. Ready to put all these planks in. So here I am just putting each plank in one by one. There was a lot of like measure, cut, see if it fits, cut a little bit more, install. Measure, cut, see if it fits. Like that whole thing repeated so many times. It was a tedious process, but I think the seal looks really, really good. Wow, again, I'm so good at setting up these angles that look so awesome. Maybe I should just make this my job, filming professionally. I'm so good at it. And this is the only shot I got of me putting in the walls because I was on a roll and I was like, I'm not stopping to film things. I'm just gonna get these done. So, yep, that's that and what I finished the week out with. Yep, that wraps it up for week 8. Sometimes it feels like I've done a lot in 2 months. Sometimes it feels like not that much is done and I still have a ton left to do. But I guess that's the way of the that's the way the project goes sometimes. And yeah, thanks for watching along. It's amazing to be here. It's 7 subscribers with my 8th video. That's almost a subscriber per video. Pretty awesome. So yeah, there's that. See you next week for more awesomeness.